Well, I can just say one thing. Congratulations to all of us, to me, to you, for everybody who is watching this video. We have the first big win. ETF has been approved and Gary lost. Simple as that. Everybody who been against the crypto for the last 10 years, they just lost. And now what's happened, everybody loved crypto overnight. 11 ETFs has been approved, okay? Look, the market is blowing up. This is only for the last 24 hours. The market, the altcoins has blown up. Why is this? Yes, ETF has been approved, but if you go back right here, you will see that the Bitcoin went from 45,000 yesterday. It was struggling to go up, to be honest, till we have the ETF. Yes or no, whatever happened with a scam of the message what was delivered, you know, we all know that was a big BS, but it is what it is. A lot of people got burned at 24 hours ago, 48 hours ago, when it was approved, then it says not approved. We know what's happened. Now slowly going up from 45 to 47. I like slowly, okay? I don't want this one to shoot up to 60,000 tomorrow because we know what's going to happen after that. I'll give you my opinion what's going to happen within the next few months. Now, ETF is approved. The money start going to come in. Now we're going to see come down and up, but overall, I think within the next 100 days, till we have the halving at end of April, I think we're going to get new all-time high. That's my personal opinion. Again, by the way, remember, nothing is financial advice. Do your research. This crypto, you can lose everything. Simple as that. Okay, so that's my opinion. A lot of money going to come here, and I'm afraid that a lot of retailers, retail people, okay, are going to jump in will be too late. When Bitcoin going to hit over 50,000, 55,000, 60,000, new all-time high, the FOMO will kick out. Okay, then we need to start think where to start to take profits. That's the main goal, because if the market go up and let's say your portfolio went up 20 times, 80 times, 100 times, okay, and you will don't make any money if you don't find a way to cash out. That's mean go into stables, go into only Bitcoin, go into your bank account, do whatever you need to do. That's what I did last time. That was my biggest mistake, and a lot of people did the same mistake. I never sell on the way up. I was thinking that top is never going to end, you know, go up, 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 up. And then what's happened is my portfolio from here, it's turned right here. And then I was waiting, okay, next a little bit more, it's going to come back, and never come back, and then crash down around 75%. But this time, I'm not going to do that mistake. I burned myself a couple of times, but this one, I'm playing more smart. Now, I did some couple of, by the way, longs. Let me just show you my trades. I don't like trading, but I'm using Margex, by the way. Link is in the description if you want to go. This is with no KYC. And I put some longs yesterday. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me just change the light right here. You will see I just took some now. Look, but I'm only playing with small amounts, like $5. You can see $2, $10, 20. You know, but I'm doing like 23, 67 leverage, 50 leverage, you know, but you will see look crazy, 700% up, you know, and I only put $2. It's crazy. I make $14. But here I'm playing with small amounts, okay? I don't know how to trade, so I'm just playing around. I'm learning. So what's mean only risk capital? If you're doing this thing, only risk capital, please. Okay, so let's go back for the news. Just look the crypto bubble, all right? It's look beautiful. Now, how high will go? Nobody know. People saying that it will go up and up and up, but we must have some correction. If this go up a little bit, we're going to have some crash, go up, some crash, go up, some crash. I think that's what's going to happen. We're going to have few pullbacks, okay? So make sure if you're doing leverage trading, make sure you understand the risk. Okay, that's why I'm only playing with small risk capital. So this is the thing. Grayscale conversion of its 27 billion Bitcoin trust into ETF was finally approved. So check this out. Do you know this website? Do you know that micro seller have over 3 billion in profit all time? Okay, this is by the way the micro seller, the tracking sailortracker.com. okay, this is a pretty cool website, right? So this is where he was buying all the time. Down you will see when he was buying, okay, and the profit is 3 billion. 3 billion is in profit. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, what's this? El Salvador all time only 11% up. Okay, is this 13 million or billion? I don't know. Okay, only 11% up. Okay, so he bought at pretty much at the top. Okay, so but he'll be up very soon. Okay, so that's about it. If you go to the news right here, that you will see Grayscale, the manager of GBTS, is claiming bragging rights for being the first of the newly approved crop of spot Bitcoin. Okay, I'm happy to confirm that GBTC started pre-market trading at 4 a.m. EST this morning. Grayscale head of comms Jennifer Rosenmel said via email. All right, so that's about it. It's a lot of news. Again, you'll see a lot of news, good and bad. Most will be good, but we are the winners. Congratulations to all of you. God bless. Join my Telegram, guys. It's free. You can chat there. You can ask me anything you want. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.